3 screws. 3 screws to hold this plastic piece in. The biggest one is in the center. Now these little plastic pieces, they are pretty pricey because they're like a necessity, I suppose. Oh, look at that. That one broke right in half. Links below to where you can get these. I'll tell you how we saved some money on them. We bought an old RV ladder from an RV salvage surplus place. We bought the old ladder. It had good pieces at the end, and we just salvaged those plastic pieces. We just took them off, and that's how we're saving money on this project. And put the new one in there. They're fairly simple. There's a hole there. You got to make sure you still line up that hole for that large screw. Slide that back in there. Two small screws at the edge. These plastic pieces seem to get brittle over the winter and the summer, and we utilize our ladder a lot during the winter, so I think that's when we typically break them. We've broken a lot of these over the years. We've gotten good at replacing them. Please don't fall off your ladder. Safety first. Make sure they're good. Inspect them. Hope this was helpful for you. Until next time.